he used to live in the sea, but he had another plan. So he packed up all his things and he moved himself to land. And on that very day, a girl named Cat would say, Mom, Dad, I want a pet that I'm gonna love. He's not a cat or a dog or a frog or a hog. He's something different, something special.
Kenny, Kenny the shark. I want Kenny, Kenny the shark.
When do we eat?
Later, Kenny.
Honey, she's talking to that shark again.
Almost time. Almost time. Ew, chummy. Cat's home! Cat's home! You're home! You're home!
Down, Kenny. You might hurt Crackers.
Crackers, good bird.
Who's Crackers? And what's he doing here?
I found him while I was walking home from school. He must be lost. Crackers, this is Kenny.
Hi, Kenny.
Hey, did you hear that, Kenny? He said your name.
He's a little feathered chatterbox. Cat, it's getting late. We have to go for our walk.
Sorry, Kenny. I need to make sure Crackers gets adjusted to his new surroundings. You don't mind, do you?
Of course not. It's just that, are you sure you want to do this? I mean, you don't know anything about taking care of birds.
It's just until we can find his real owner. Anyway, if I can take care of you, I can take care of anything. There you go, Crackers.
Crackers, good bird.
Yes, you are.
Cat.
Mom's home. I'm gonna go tell her about Crackers.
Hi, Kenny.
Yeah. Okay, bird. I'm going to make this quick and simple. I'm the #1 pet in this house, so don't get any bird-brained ideas about her liking you more than me, 'cause it ain't gonna happen. Understand?
Cat like crackers.
No, cat like Kenny.
Cat like crackers.
No! Listen to me, you overgrown feather duster.
Hey, guys.
Cracker's good bird. Yes, he is.
Mom says I can take care of Crackers while we look for his owner. Isn't that great?
I'm so happy I could scream.
We'll put these up around the neighborhood tomorrow and find your owner.
Right. The sooner the better.
Wow! Thanks, Crackers. Just like staying in a hotel.
Cat like crackers.
Yes, she does.
You know, Cat, I was thinking that maybe I could sleep in your room tonight, too.
Kenny, you're a tiger shark. You don't sleep.
Yeah, right. But I could learn.
You're just being silly, Kenny.
Silly Kenny.
You're so funny, Crackers.
No bootlicking bird is going to take my place. I haven't begun to fight. I'm a regular Leonardo da Sharky. Okay. Now you can look.
You made this out of fish?
Only took 5.5 hours. The hardest part was finding the right red. Red snapper was too light and Ruffy was too orange. Thank goodness for sockeye salmon.
Kenny, I can't believe all this.
Just wanted to remind you of what good pals we are.
Does all this have anything to do with Crackers?
What do you mean?
Are you maybe a little jealous?
Jealous?
Well, I really love this. You're the best. I better get ready for school.
Ha ha! You lose, sucker! Kenny's number one!
Cat like crackers! Bark!
Cat like Kenny, you tie-dyed chicken, you!
Kenny, is everything okay down there?
Everything's fine! Oh. Get out of there! What are you doing?
Help! Silly Kenny! Help!
Kenny, spit him out now!
I'm trying!
Now! Are you okay, Crackers?
Crackers good, bird! Bark!
Yes, you are. And you are a very bad shark.
He flew in my mouth!
Right. Come on, Crackers. Let's go up to my room. Kenny, you can stay down here and think about what you've done.
Cat like crackers! Bark!
My birthday party's gonna be so cool, Cat. We're gonna have a piñata full of candy and a chocolate cake in the shape of a Mayan pyramid.
I can hardly wait until tonight.
Wait, I just had a great idea. You could bring Crackers and we could dress him up as Kukulkan, the Mayan bird god.
Cool. Now, Kenny, you promise to take good care of Crackers while we're out?
I swear on my mother's chum.
Kenny.
Honest, Cat, if it's the last thing I do, I will take care of that bird.
Okay, Oscar, let's go put up some posters.
Adios, amigo! El
Adios, amigo. I'd like to adios you.
Silly Kenny! Bark!
You want to see how silly I am? You want to see silly? I'm gonna show you silly. Crackers bad bird. Crackers messy bird. Cat not like Crackers so much now. Hold on, wait. Where are you going, seed sucker? Where are you, Featherbrain? I'm gonna stuff a pillow with you right now. Come here, you dirty little worm eater!
Silly Kenny!
Where'd you go? Come out and fight like a bird! Let go! Let go of my fin!
Silly Kenny! Bark!
What's wrong? Having a bad feather day? Oh no! What have I done? His fault.
Silly Kenny!
I'm sorry, Cat, but since your pets are your responsibility, this mess is too.
And the one upstairs and the one in the kitchen. I hope you don't have any plans this weekend.
Oscar's birthday party tonight.
I'm sorry, Peach. You can't leave the house until this is all cleaned up.
Oh no! I never meant for Cat to get in trouble.
Crackers bad bird! Bark!
We've got to do something.
Crackers like cat!
Look, let's call a truce. We both care about Cat, and that's what's important. Cat, let us help.
Haven't you two done enough?
It was all my fault.
Crackers bad bird! Bark!
No, it was me. I was jealous. I thought you liked Crackers more than me.
You big dumb fish. Just because I liked Crackers doesn't mean I liked you any less.
I know that now.
Good job, Cat. The house looks great.
Do you think I could still go to Oscar's birthday party?
Well, you have cleaned up everything, so okay.
Great!
Yes, I believe you have crackers.
Crackers, good bird. Quack.
Thank you so much for finding him. Would it be okay if I gave you a reward?
Would you consider lending crackers to us for another couple hours?
To the left.
Okay, buddy, I got this covered. Cat's home early. Cat!
No, hammerhead shark, actually.
Dan!
Kenny, how's it chewing? Give me some fin. I heard your new digs were nice, but this place is fabulous.
It's all right.
Ooh, Corinthian leather. Nice.
What are you doing here, Dan?
Thought I'd check up on you. Ooh, vibrating action.
How did you find me?
A couple of guys from our old school told me you had a soft deal here among the rock dwellers.
It's not that soft.
Love the cap. Kenny, this is Dan, your schoolmate, your tooth brother. You gonna level with me?
Okay, it's pretty great. No hunting, no fishing boats. I get all the chum I want, pretty much. And cable TV.
You get chum and cable? What are we waiting for?
The seal will spend most of its life in the water.
Look at that fat one.
Yup.
This station always have shows on about seals.
It's a DVD.
Kenny, you are living the life.
I am, aren't I?
Hey, Kenny!
Yay! Cat's home! Yippee! Cat! I want you to meet an old friend. This is Dan. He's a hammerhead.
I can see that, and a pretty nice-sized specimen, too.
You say that to all the guys. She speaks shark.
Cat knows all about us.
You're not scared, huh?
Not of sharks. Spiders, yeah. And sometimes snakes. That's one of the things I like about Kenny. He's never scared of anything.
Kenny? Oh, yeah. Kenny's tough, all right. Hey, mind if I stay for a couple of days to catch up?
Of course not. As far as I'm concerned, there can't be too many sharks. Hey, Mom and Dad. This is Dan. He's a hammerhead.
Can we talk to you for a moment?
One shark in the house is, challenging enough. 2 sharks.
Oh, just for a few days.
We have to draw the line on this one, Sweet Pea.
Sorry, Dan. You seem like a nice shark, but we have to do what Mom and Dad say.
Kenny, you let this rock dweller give your old buddy the hook? Who wears the teeth around here?
It's her parents. There's nothing I can do.
Yeah, whatever. Life is tough, huh, Kenny?
Dan? I thought you went back to the ocean.
I did. But just to pick up some old pals.
How's it going?
What's up, Kenny, my man? Come on in, boys. The water's fine.
Hey, good to see you guys. But, Dan, you know you can't be here. You heard what Cat said.
I'm not gonna give up that easy. I got a hammer for a head.
But I can't have any guests.
Kenny, you wouldn't throw us back into the briny. We're your old school.
I'm sorry, Dan. That's the way it is.
You want to know the way it is? We all know about your cushy situation here. And if you don't roll out the welcome wagon, we're gonna have to tell your friend Cat your nasty little secret.
You wouldn't.
Oh, yes, we would.
You guys would really do that to me? Well, I guess you could come in. For a while.
That's the Kenny I know and love. Come on in, guys. First bucket of chums on me.
Got any threes?
Go fish. Yo, Kenny, where are those drinks?
Coming. 2 cod liver oils and a chummy colada.
What, no lime wedge?
Give me a moment.
And we're out of chum.
Kenny, do you mind? We're trying to do a little shark bowling here.
Dolphins sometimes swim dozens of miles a day.
Dolphins? Change the channel. Hey, where's the remote? The what? The black thing that you change your channels with. Yeah, that's it.
Oh my gosh, 3 o'clock! Dan, you guys gotta go. Cat will be home any minute.
Good. She can hear your little secret.
No, she can't find out.
You want to keep us quiet? Find a way that we can stay.
Hey, Kenny.
Hey, Cat's home. Yippee.
You feeling okay?
Just fine.
Weird. The whole house smells like fish.
That must be me. I kinda need a bath.
Is it my imagination, or did we go shopping yesterday?
Yeah, I think so.
That's weird. There doesn't seem to be any food left in the house.
About time. We're starving.
Shh, keep it down.
Kenny? Were you talking to someone in the closet?
No, yes. I was a little cold, so I decided to look in the closet for a coat. But when I did, I said, none of these coats will fit me, to myself, out loud.
Well, I think there's a blanket in here that will cover at least part of you.
Sharks don't get cold, or colds, for that matter. I just remembered that. So there's nothing in here that I want.
Okay.
Phew. You forgot the garnish. Mouthwash for everyone before we do that again. And Larry, you gotta lose some weight.
Everyone back in the closet!
I'm not a sardine.
Hello, Kensters. Heard about your nice setup.
I can't let you all in. There's no way.
But I thought you wanted to keep your secret a secret.
Yo, Kenny, out here. Myrna needs some lotion on her back. happened to our chummy coladas?
I'm just one guy here.
Hey, Kenny, the TV's not working.
Hey, you got any toothpaste? Got any mackerel?
Kenny,
Hey, Kenny,
What is going on here?
Cat, you're still at school, aren't you?
We had a half day. Kenny, there are more sharks in the kitchen than in the entire aquarium. I thought we talked about this.
I had to let them stay, Cat.
Why?
They said they would tell you my secret.
What secret?
You might as well hear it from me. I used to be afraid of the dark. At night, I had to swim with glow-in-the-dark jellyfish. There, I told you. Go ahead, throw me back in the ocean. Nobody likes a scaredy shark.
Kenny, there's nothing wrong with being afraid of the dark.
Really? But you said you liked me because I was never scared of anything.
That's not the only reason. Real friends don't stop liking each other because of little things like that. I like you because you're you.
Well, gang, looks like Club Kenny's closing up shop.
Not quite yet. Cat, thanks for being such a good friend.
No problem, Kenny.
Come on, Dan. Put your dorsal into it.
My wing with drop dwellers.